They taught you a lesson, how to be afraid, and how to understand your life is not a game. It's more than a lesson that you can learn over from love. Even with that wisdom in your mind, there's still that poison in your blood. You wouldn't touch the breakfast that I made for you. How could you lie? Losing weight, you start to shake. You're scaring me, I wonder why. Victim of the environment, I cannot stand aside and watch you